Hello YouTubers, here is another update of the '08 Dodge Ram 1500 that rolled over. I believe it was September 18th, 2015. Got a new hood, new fenders, put a new cab on it. Dad started doing body work on it already. After a long hunt of hunting down axles for this truck, I finally found the right axle for this truck. Installed the rear glass. I had to go to the Dodge dealership for an axle. Nobody could get me the right axle. Apparently, this truck has a special rear axle in it. All the interior is in. Truck is basically ready for the road. Now it's all body work and paint. Took it for a test drive, drove really nice. Dad already did body work to it. There was 2 large dents here. This was pushed in, he pulled it out. I'm not sure what kind of rear end this truck has, but apparently it's a heavier axle than any other Dodge would have. Only the dealer could get me the shaft for it. Sadly, the dealer nailed me to the wall, but I think the truck is well worth it. Hopefully we get some warm weather soon. Dad's ready to paint it. I honestly want to get it on the road. Start driving it again. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.